Welcome back to another episode of Excel. I'm your host Nav. In last two videos we learned about sequence, concat and sort function. If you have not watched these videos, then please do so because you don't want to miss them. These functions are powerful and can easily make you look smart, can save you tons of time and energy and make your work look way efficient. Also, if you have not subscribed this channel yet, then make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss daily updates. Let's get started. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most powerful functions in Excel, the filter function. If you've ever needed to quickly sift through a mountain of data to find exactly what you're looking for, the filter function is going to become your new best friend. Trust me, once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Let's break it down. Imagine this: you've got a long list of sales data, and you want to filter out all the transactions that were made by a specific sales rep, or maybe you just want to see all the sales over a certain amount. Normally, you'd either manually go through the data or use a filter in the toolbar, but what if you could do all of this in one simple formula? That's where filter comes in. Here's the basic syntax. The array is the range of data you want to filter. This could be your entire table or just a column you're focusing on. The include argument is where you tell Excel what condition you're looking for. So if you want to filter by sales rep, you might write something like range B3 to B120 = John Doe to show all rows where John Doe made a sale. And lastly, the if empty part is optional. It's just the message or value Excel will return if the filter doesn't find any matching data. For example, you could have it display no data found if no rows meet the criteria. Let's put this into action. I've got a table here and I'm going to use filter to show all the sales made by John Doe. The formula would look like this. Equal filter open parenthesis, and then select the entire range, which is B3 to D120 in our case. Then select B3 to B120 and type equal John Doe within double quotes because Excel can't read text in a function bar. Now close the parenthesis and press enter. If you don't want to type the name of sales representative manually in the function bar, then we can use unique function to get unique names in column B and then choose a cell from the list, just like we used unique function in tutorial 8. This would save you some more time. But you will have to move the cell reference to select a different representative. There is one way to save you even more time. I was planning to do a separate tutorial on this one, but let's do it now. Now that we have got unique names in column F, we can actually insert a drop-down list in cell G3. Click on cell G3, go to the Data tab on the toolbar, and then click on Data Validation, select List from the drop-down in the source bar, select the range of unique names we have in column F. Click OK. Now you have a drop-down list. Now we need to update our filter function. We will replace John Doe with cell G3 and we don't need double quotes anymore. Now close the parenthesis and press enter. There you have it. Now instead of scrolling and searching for John's sales, Excel instantly returns just the rows where John made a sale. It's that easy. And here's a pro tip. You can even use multiple conditions in the include argument. For example, if you wanted to filter sales by both a specific rep and a certain sales range, just combine the conditions using an asterisk sign. Let's say I want to filter for all sales made by John Doe, where the sale amount is greater than £500. Now put the earlier include argument in a bracket and then type asterisk sign, open parenthesis, select the range C3 to C120 and type greater than 500. Again, rather than typing 500 in the function, you can create an input cell or range and link that to the filter function. Now close the parenthesis and there you have your list of sales made by John Doe that exceed £500. So if you want to be the Excel genius everyone turns to when it's time to work with big data sets, start using the filter function today. It's quick, powerful, and once you get the hang of it, will make you look like a pro every time. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment if there is anything I can help you with. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe button so that you don't miss my daily updates. I will see you in the next video.